The BBLUNT Repair Remedy line has argan oil as well as keratin. Both of the things are really good for damaged hair. Keratin works to repair your hair, and argan oil helps it feel all smooth and shiny and bouncy like what my hair is feeling right now. So both of the things are really good for damaged hair. The whole range has been specifically created for Indian hair. So you don't have to worry about the fact that if it's going to work for you or not, because that's just the way they formulated it. It helps if you have damaged hair, if you have colored your hair too much, if you have used a lot of heat tools, if you've gotten chemical treatment on your hair, or it's just due to like regular pollution. You know, in India it's pretty bad. So I took one picture a week, and since I've been using it for 3 weeks now, there's 3 pictures that I have of what my hair used to look like and what it looks like now. So there's 3 weeks of me trying this product out, and you can clearly tell little by little my hair has become better.
As you guys can see, before there wasn't any curl definition. Also, the more my hair is repaired, the more it's bouncing up. So you can see that my hair has gone from very flimsy to actual full bouncy curls, and this is what I mean by my hair being repaired by the new BBLUNT Repair Remedy collection.